Hi, welcome to Snom, Hanover CeBIT 2016. Thanks for joining us today. I'm standing in front of what we call our Euro Series 300 series IP desk phones. This is a really fantastic phone which we've really uplifted since our former series. What you'll actually notice about a lot of these phones is that on both the entry-level phones relative to its previous generation, the hook switch that was associated with the 300 series have pretty much disappeared. If you listen to my description about our 700 series, everything throughout our series has been designed in to really improve reliability and overall performance of the actual phone. These two entry-level phones here, the D305 and the 315, really the primary difference between these two phones is that the 315 supports a gigabit Ethernet interface. One of the really nice features that's also reflected on the 700 series is that even in our entry-level phones, you have the ability to provide a USB interface to connect up to a sidecar. So you don't necessarily have to go and move forward with a lot of our higher-end models, but what you can do is really increase the functionality of our 3-line series with the sidecar here. Another point that I want to bring out that you may have noticed or not noticed is that you'll also see here Snom IO. This is a new technology in which Snom is actually coming to our development community, letting you know that, gosh, there are so many people out there that use our phone that goes well beyond just audio. You can really do things like home automation, office automation. We even have a control cameras as well as robots as we're demonstrating here at the show. So what it is actually an upcoming protocol or an I/O which gives developers the ability to write these unique applications that give our functioning keys on our phones that's unique to Snom the ability to do a lot of unique functions that make your specific account far more productive in having a valuable tool like this on your desk. As you move up beyond the 315, we have the 345. This is my personal favorite phone where you actually have a high-resolution screen here that's coupled with a lot of function keys that you see here. And it's also, we've gotten a chance of moving the paper labels away so that this phone is entirely paperless and being able to give you the flexibility to load up all of these speed dials, not only just a separate file, but actually within the phone itself. What's the end result of it? You can actually auto-provision this phone and populate the speed dial key, which could be common throughout your organization, and you can have it done automatically just with an automatic download. Obviously, when you take this beyond, we also have the signature call activity key. So when you have a school of these phones and you hear the phone ringing, you don't have to look around to see which one you're actually ringing with. Buttons like this will actually give you an indication of which phone is actually in motion and having an effect. One of the things that you'll see in the industry is our 375. Again, all of these have the same Snom IO capabilities. We actually upgraded the monochrome screen that was available on the 370 to color. In addition to color, we also increased the network interspeed from the old 10100 up to the current gigabit Ethernet interface. So really, when you look at all of these things and you combine it with a lot of the high quality audio, this is something that's very unique to Snom, where we've actually, all of these phones have spent numerous hours inside of a lab just to make sure that the phone's ability to listen to your audio regardless of what angle these things are, it'll be able to capture your voice and be able to be almost second nature to how you begin to speak to the world. So that's what we have. We also made some great graphical user interfaces showing not only the pictures but being able to show presence ability right on the phone itself. So we're really proud of our enhancements, and thanks for joining.